This is not your typical Figma channel with tips and tricks, and I hope Figma is not going to sue me for this. But let's be honest here. So there's thousands and thousands of different Figma tips and tricks channels on YouTube and different profiles on social media, while there's very rarely some influencers that give you real-world personal experience from the industry. I'm Zivko and I have over 8 years in UI UX design, and I worked with over hundreds of different clients, and I have startup experience, corporate experience, and I'm here to give you all the details that concern working as a UI UX designer. And now think about it. I mean, by no means is this going to be some fun, bungee jumping or, world exploring series. It's going to be very boring. Me walking, talking to you, quite boring scenery, right? But I'm going to provide personal experience as a UI UX designer from the industry that it's scarcity nowadays, right? To get personal experiences. You can always find tips and tricks with Figma. I love Figma. We all work in Figma and we love it. So don't get this wrong. But my idea for this channel, my idea for this profile is to give you concrete and result-oriented career advice, if you will. And if something's not working out here, or if something's wrong with how we film this, we set out to never repeat takes, to always do take one. So sorry if there's anything that I mistake, and that if there's any mistake in my speech or in the cameraman. So sorry in advance. And the whole idea here is to have lots of different videos that give you real-world advice, that give you my experiences from the industry, and that lead you towards a successful UI UX design story. If you're just starting out UI UX design, if you want to polish some things, if you want to learn some technical stuff about it, or something that's scarcity to find, even on ChatGPT, right? Check out the channel. So we're going to have longer videos here on YouTube, and we're going to have shorter reels and shorts and videos on different social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram and YouTube Shorts. But here on YouTube, you're going to have full-fledged, full-length videos that are going to tell you everything I know about the topic that I'm going to cover. And this is imagined, believe it or not, to have one video published a day for the next 365 days. So there's going to be plenty of things to discuss, and I'm really looking forward to your comments and what are your thoughts about this series. Again, another hint, it's not going to be groundbreaking in terms of jumping from an airplane or something, but it's going to be real-world advice from an 8-year UI UX designer that had failed startups of his own. I had design agency of 15 designers. So I have so much to tell you, and the great thing about it, it's my personal challenge as well, because I don't sell courses, I don't sell consultations. So this is my raw advice straight to you as a beginner, intermediate, or even an expert UI UX designer, or anyone really from the field that's interested in this topic. Enjoy the content that's gonna come. See you.